Have you ever looked outside during winter and thought, is it too early or too late to start flower seedlings? Good news! Winter can actually be the perfect time to get a head start on your flower garden if you know when and how to do it right. Today, I'll show you the best time to start flower seedlings in winter, what flowers you can and shouldn't start, and how to avoid the most common winter seed starting mistakes. Let's grow smarter, not harder. The best time to start flower seedlings in winter depends on your last expected frost date, not the calendar alone. Here's the simple rule. Start flower seedlings 8 to 12 weeks before your last frost. Slow growers like petunias and begonias, start them early winter, that is December to early January. Most flowers like marigolds and zinnias, start them mid to late winter, that is late January to February. Most flowers like sunflowers wait until late winter, this is from February to March, because starting this too early can actually make them weak and leggy. Next, we'll talk about common winter seed starting mistakes. Avoid these beginner mistakes. 1. Starting seeds too early, overwatering because winter seedlings rot easily, not enough light, and using outdoor soil indoors. Remember, slow and steady growth is healthy growth. So, my fellow garden lovers, winter seed starting is not difficult. It just needs good timing, patience, and a little daily care. Even if it's your first time, don't be afraid to try. Every seed you plant is a learning experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with our fellow garden lovers. What flower are you planning to start this winter? Please comment below. Thanks for watching and happy winter gardening from JouleShare Garden Tips. God bless!